Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, more of a pullback today, and definitely updates here need to be done. First thing I'm going to do is get rid of these lines up there as they've served their purpose for now, because the first update that needs to come into play here is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And after, late afternoon here, the price is now broken down below $43. So in the very near term, $43 is now going to be that initial area of resistance. Good news is it's not like the price is super far below it. But if the price does try to stabilize out and then curl back upwards, that's where the first question mark now comes into play. Not necessarily can the price get back up to 43, but more importantly, can the price actually break above it and stay up above it? So with any sort of, like I said, attempted turnaround, $43 is going to be that first key level that you're going to want to watch very closely. And then not super far off, but I would say that another area of resistance that was established after today would then be right up there around 43.45. So 43 and then 43.45, two near-term areas of resistance. Now, if this thing continues to pull back, where some of these next areas of support at? And the next main overarching area of support is going to be this previous breakout point right down there at $42.35. So $42.35, next key overarching area of support. Not saying that that's even going to come into play, but if the price does continue to pull back, then that'll definitely be a very interesting level down there. So we'll see if the price does ultimately go down there or not on the pullback. But overall, I would still just call this a pullback. So yeah, it's lost a little of attractiveness given it's down below that purple line, but there's a big difference between a pullback and a reversal. And for me, as of right now, I would still just consider this a pullback. Now, if the price crashes down through that green line, all right, maybe at that point, reversal, would make a little bit more sense. But in my opinion, at least right now, this is still just simply a pullback. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.